What are the key things to consider when writing code that you want to have a reasonable chance of understanding in a year's time? Linear code is your friend. If all code was just a sequence of commands listed one after another without any looping or mucking about, then it would be pretty easy to hold that in your head. As soon as you add loops or decisions that branch the code, it becomes more and more difficult to understand. For this reason, the cognitive complexity score of your code will increase by 1 each time you do that. Here are some examples. You can see that as you start to add in branching and looping, including recursion, the score goes up incrementally. Now, it would be nuts to say don't use if statements. The goal here is to be mindful of what you're using, and if things do get too complex, consider whether this bit of code is doing too much and should be refactored. The cognitive complexity score helps you get a feel for when you might want to do some simplification. Sonar can help you see where the complexity in your code lies, and we'll talk more about that later in the series. First, though, let's talk about how nesting can make things very tricky very quickly.